Alright guys, so you know one of my favorite YouTubers is Ethan Becker, and one of the videos that he put out that I really thought was interesting is how he showed how you can draw pretty much any pose by using just one shape. What's that shape? Well, we're about to find out. Let's go. What's up fam, DKG72 here, and on today's video we're going to be talking about using one shape to draw the human body. Alright guys, so I was recently watching some videos by my man Ethan Becker, and he was talking about how he discovered that some of the best animators in the industry are using just one shape to help them build out and draw their human bodies. So what's that shape? Well, it's kind of this weird shape, and it's not a bean. That's the thing about it. It's not a bean shape. And what we're going to do in this video is that we're actually going to go over it and see how it can be used to help you out. Alright guys, when you see this shape, it's really kind of like an amalgamation of a couple of different cubes put together real quick, and I'm going to show you on the screen and be drawn in red. And basically it's just a nice little shape that follows the contours of not only your shoulder blades but your body in general, your torso in general. Just this little shape right here can help you draw the human body. And one of the things that you're going to see is that you can use this shape, and you can put this shape over all kinds of different bodies, everything like that. But basically how it works is that this top line right here is literally your shoulder line, and then this bottom line right here is literally your pelvic line. So basically once you've built everything off of this shape, you can add your arms in like so. You add your legs in like so. And place a head like so. I drew this a little too big, so I'm off kilter. So the head will be much bigger. So there we go. And by using this one shape, you can literally move your arms in any direction that you want. So like I can take this arm that's closest to me, move it up, and take the arm that's further back. Let's erase that out so things don't get too confusing. And I can just show the shoulder blade, even show some of the arm. You can draw through, you can show some of the arm running like that. And then obviously that helps you put the leg, figure out where the legs go. So just by drawing this one shape, you can figure out pretty much any pose that you want. And the reason why you want to use this shape is it's just the way sometimes you get stuck and you need to figure something out. Well, by drawing this shape, you can really help yourself out of any kind of art jam that you get into. So say for instance you got to draw a character looking over their shoulder in a dramatic fashion. Well, that's not exactly the most exciting pose to draw in the world, but by using this shape, it makes it a little bit easier for you to be able to draw that pose. because now notice where I placed the head of the character. Just do the outline like that, and now it shows you a little bit about how much of the back is going to be shown, where to place the arm at. See how easy that was? Again, just a simple little shape that's not a bean, and I've already drawn the character looking over one shoulder towards whatever needs to be looked at. And you can do this for multiple poses. He says you can get about, I think, 50 poses. I think you can get more, to be honest with you, because I've been using it just in my normal workflow for some things that I've been drawing, and it's poses I didn't even imagine it would work with. And again, one of the things that'll help you learn drawing this shape is to actually take actual pictures of people and draw the shape over them. Let me show you real quick. Alright guys, so a good exercise that train you in how to draw this shape that will help you draw human bodies much better is to actually just draw over pictures of people from real life. Basically just find some pictures on Pinterest and draw over them. If you're on this screen, for instance, I have 3 people in 3 different poses, and I'm going to show you how this shape fits every pose. So let's take a look at my man that's just, you know, flexing with his big arms, looking like he just got done lifting. So all we're going to do is going to just draw the basic form of that shape over his body. Look at it. It fits perfectly. No fuss, no mud. Now this one should be a little bit difficult right here, because this young lady is in this very difficult kung fu type pose. How is this going to work? Well, again, we just tailor the shape to the curve or to the main line of her shoulder blade, and you just go from there. Bam, 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 look at that. Bam, bam. It's the shape. The shape is the shape. So this should be pretty hard right here. But once again, excuse me. Once again, we got a guy, he looks like he's a Shaolin monk or something like that. He's got his fist pointed towards the screen. Should be pretty difficult, right? No. Just draw the shape, tailor it to their shoulder line, their shoulder blade. And there you go. An easy way to break down the human body and create a drawing that is going to work best for you. So this will actually help you when you're looking at your visual reference, breaking it down, and it should make it a little bit easier. And it just makes it easy to know where to place your arms, your shoulders, your legs, because if you can look at all of these different people, they're in different poses, they've got the legs up and everything like that, but the basic shape of the body is the shape of the body. Look at shows like Voltron, Korra, Legend of Korra, and you'll see that a lot of the artists, especially the main animators, are using this type of, just this system of thinking to make them a better artist and to get the type of dynamic posing that you're used to seeing in your favorite animations and animes. So this is just a quick tip, just a quick little lesson real quick. Again, if you don't know, I'm just reiterating something that was done by Ethan Becker, and definitely go check his channel out. I'll link it up above. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. You know what that does for the channel. You know what that does for the YouTube algorithm. So give it a big thumbs up. Share it all over the internet. If you're new here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. I also want to say what's up. If you guys want to get a hold of me, I am available on Twitter and Instagram at DKG72. And I also have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok, David Gordon 72. If you guys really like what you're seeing, please support the channel. Got a link to the Patreon, DKG72 Comics, or you can purchase some of my books, graphic novels, coloring books, notebooks, all that type of stuff. Original art prints. Got canvas prints. They're up on foresightstudio.com. Go check those out. Alright guys, it's your boy DKG72. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm out. Peace.